I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Lexus GX versus LX. The GX is known for its rugged, mid-size luxury and impressive off-road prowess, making it a favorite for adventure seekers. The LX, on the other hand, stands as Lexus's full-size flagship SUV, prioritizing ultimate luxury and a commanding presence. While both deliver a premium experience, their core focus and market positioning differ significantly. Let's dive into the details to help you decide which one is better for your needs. When it comes to power, the GX is equipped with a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering 349 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. The LX steps it up with a more powerful 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6, generating 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. Both SUVs come standard with full-time four-wheel drive and a 10-speed automatic transmission. They also feature advanced off-road technologies like multi-terrain select and available kinetic dynamic suspension system, ensuring capability on diverse terrains. Inside, the GX typically offers seating for up to 7 passengers, though some over-trail trims are 5-seaters. The LX also accommodates up to 7, with an exclusive 4-seat ultra-luxury option for maximum comfort. For cargo, the GX provides a generous 95 cubic feet with rear seats folded, while the LX offers up to 64 cubic feet. Both feature premium materials, large infotainment screens, a 14-inch display in the GX and a 12.3-inch main screen with a 7-inch lower display in the LX, and available Mark Levinson sound systems. When considering price, the Lexus GX starts at approximately $65,000, presenting a compelling option for those seeking rugged luxury without the top-tier flagship price. The Lexus LX, as the brand's ultimate luxury SUV, begins around $107,000, reflecting its enhanced features and premium positioning. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize the GX's adventurous spirit and value, or the LX's unparalleled luxury and commanding presence. For other great deals, including leak-proof meal prep containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.